Very often, Amazon sellers lose thousands of dollars due to ineffective Amazon advertising campaigns that don't convert. In this video, you will discover the profitable PPC launch strategy, a proven approach that covers smart keyword targeting, proper campaign structure, and ongoing optimization to increase visibility and maximize ROI. For this, we will be using Data Dive, and if you want to try it for yourself, find the link below and use code OrangeClick to get 20% off Data Dive when you sign up. So check this out.
Hi, my name is Nikki from Orange Klik. Are your Amazon ads eating up budget without bringing in results? In this video, we'll walk you through a complete step-by-step launch strategy using only Data Dive to boost visibility, drive profitable sales, and lower your ACoS. We'll use a real product example, a laptop stand with built-in USB ports, so you can see exactly how to apply it to your own product. Today, we're diving into the strategy behind smart keyword selection and how tools like Data Dive's master keyword list and Data Dive's PPC launch campaign can give you a serious competitive edge. When launching a PPC campaign, it's tempting to go straight for those high-volume, short-tail keywords. But the real magic, it's in the mix. You want a balanced set of broad keywords for visibility, long-tail keywords for purchase intent, and mid-level, highly relevant keywords that align exactly with your product's niche. These mid-level keywords might not have the flashiest search volume, but they have high conversion potential because they're incredibly targeted. Mid-level and high-relevance keywords are often less competitive, which means lower cost per click and a better chance at a strong return on ad spend. Because they're so specific, they attract shoppers who are further down the buying funnel. These are ready-to-buy customers. That leads to higher conversion rates, and conversion is a critical metric Amazon uses to rank you organically. But PPC is just one piece of the puzzle. For your campaign to fuel organic growth, your product listing has to be fully optimized, from the main image that stops the scroll, to SEO-optimized titles and bullet points, to compelling A+ content that tells you brand story. When your listing matches what your customer is searching for and you're converting from those mid-level PPC keywords, Amazon takes notice, boosting your organic rank over time. Here's where Data Dive's master keyword list becomes your secret weapon. It doesn't just throw random keywords at you, it analyzes top-performing competitors, pulls real shopper data, and helps you isolate the keywords that actually convert, including those golden mid-level terms. And this means you're not wasting money. You're launching with purpose, ranking organically faster, and outranking your competition without burning through your budget. Let's get right into it. The step 1 is the preparation. Begin by identifying the 3 to 5 top competitors for your laptop stand with built-in USB ports. Use Data Dive's Chrome extension tool to analyze search results for laptop stand with USB ports. Pinpoint high-ranking, well-reviewed products with steady sales. Then, select ASINs for up to 5, even top 5 or 10 competitors. Just make sure that they all look alike with color, same price point, and of course, our filters with the highest reviews and with steady sales. Toggle these ASINs that we want to add to the dive and then click Dive. It will now generate your master keyword list, and this will consolidate the keywords your competitors are ranking for. Inside the master keyword list, we can see that there is a relevancy score and search volume. This is important because these two metrics will help us decide which keywords we are going to select. Relevancy score, this is an internal Data Dive metric that shows how closely a keyword relates to your product and listing context. Keywords with high relevancy typically reflect actual customer search behavior tied to your niche. While search volume, this is the number of monthly searches for that keyword. Focus on mid to high volume keywords with consistent ranking presence. How to spot the keywords? Sort by the relevancy score to prioritize terms that best match your product and are mostly likely to convert. Filter out keywords with low frequency and low rank presence. Look for terms with search volume over 1,000 and strong competitor overlap. A pro tip: flag your top 5 to 10 hero keywords. These are your foundation keywords. Now, with your hero keywords ready, it's time to structure your campaigns using DataDive's PPC campaign. No guesswork, no spreadsheets. It's all built in the tool. First, you have to go to the PPC campaigns for launch. Just make sure that you have already imported your refined master keyword list, free from brand words and irrelevant keywords, to your PPC keywords. Select the keyword roots that you want to build campaigns for, like laptop docking stand, docking station laptop. So these are the combination or group of keyword roots that you would like to build your campaigns, as we have selected them as our hero keywords. DataDive auto generates exact match campaigns for hero keywords, phrase and broad match ad groups for keyword discovery, and branded campaigns to protect your brand. A pro tip is to set initial bids slightly under suggested default to test performance. Use exact match campaigns to drive ranking. Now that your campaigns are structured, let's talk about bidding and targeting. Smart bidding prevents budget burn. Follow DataDive's bid guidance on the export sheet. Exact match starts at 75 cents to $1.20 depending on competition, and broad match bidding starts at 50 cents to 80 cents. Target the top 3 to 5 hero keywords aggressively in exact match. Conduct a thorough audit of the keyword sets added via DataDive's campaign builder during the product launch phase. Ensure the keywords are segmented based on search volume tiers, low, medium, and high, and grouped into separate ad groups or campaigns accordingly. For example, low search volume keywords should not be clustered with mid-volume terms, as their performance dynamics and bidding strategies differ significantly. Improper grouping can dilute keyword performance data, reduce bid efficiency, and compromise campaign level optimization. Mixing different search volume keywords skews click-through rate, conversion rate, and ACOS metrics, making it difficult to determine which terms are truly profitable or underperforming. Segmenting by search volume allows for more precise budget allocation, keyword isolation for testing, and bid strategy calibration, ultimately leading to more efficient ad spend and clearer decision-making for scaling. So you can just click this I button here to shut some keywords off to exclude it from the campaign. You can move around keywords to add it to the appropriate group. And once you're happy with the campaign groupings, you can generate the bulk sheet to be uploaded in your ad console, or you can just connect your Amazon Ads console to the DataDive tool to send your ready-made campaigns. As you can see, after excluding the branded keywords from this list and the other irrelevant terms, we've come down to 43 search terms, which is really ideal for us to add in an Amazon PPC campaign. The next step is to really look for your hero keywords. So looking at the relevancy here together with the search volume with a minimum of 1,000, we will now look at selecting our hero keywords. The example keywords you might find is this one, laptop docking stand, with 2,629 search volume with an 80% relevancy score, and laptop stand with docking station with 1,826 search volume and 80% relevancy. So there's a high competition with regards to this search term. There's also laptop docking station stand with 1,615 search volume and 80% relevancy. So again, we have one competitor here that is not ranking. So let's say this is our ASIN. And so we have a lot of catching up to do with regards to trying to rank for these keywords or search terms, which is proven to have a positive sales effect on our competitors as they are ranking high in these search terms. We have the laptop dock stand. And then as we continue, we will just filter out. Even though we have the relevancy of 40%, this is still enough for us to select a keyword like docking station laptop and tablet docking station, as they pack the mid search volume And as you can see here, there are keyword gaps that our competitors have not yet been ranking. So this is our opportunity to launch with these keywords and try to rank high from this one. These are our hero keywords that we will now be exporting to the PPC keywords. As we move to the PPC campaigns for launch, you can see that DataDive has already come up with the routes selection so that it's easier for us to see the overall master keyword list broad search volume that these routes are pulling up and the frequency that it has been used in our master keyword list. If we are to choose these 4 keyword routes here, we will be able to gather the maximum broad search volume that these keyword groups are gathering, and we will be able to capitalize on the keywords to launch our PPC launch campaign. For the general parameters, you may add your SKU here, campaign start date, and ad group default bid. The bidding strategy is dynamic bidding down only. And the keyword max bid, we will change it to 89. This is what is nice about DataDive is that you can already add in the name template here. You can just choose it here. You can add and customize to your liking. And it's really making the campaign creation so seamless and efficient. DataDive already puts a default of keywords whose search volume ratio is more than 10 and a max keyword per campaign is 8. So this is the industry practice and this will really help you monitor and optimize your core keywords inside a campaign instead of adding a lot of keywords that will make your life harder if you are not setting parameters like this. So we're following the option 2, which is the campaign daily budget of $20. So here in the review campaigns, you will see the number of campaigns created, which is 10, the number of keywords, total keywords, and the search volume in the master keyword list that we have captured, and the total search volume selected for launch. So the average budget per campaign is 26. You can actually change the CVR here or the conversion rate depending on what your current goal is, and as well as the CPC or the cost per click of the campaigns if they get 200 clicks per day. So if you click expand all, you'll see in each keyword root group, you'll be able to see which keywords were added in the campaign with an eye here that is open. And as you can see here, search volume is pretty much in the same tier. So I will not edit it anymore. Again, now that this is all done for you, it will really save you time doing this all manually. And the last thing that you can do is to audit these keywords. If there are some keywords that are not the most relevant for your product for launch, then you might exclude this here. For example, these are low search volume keywords. You can just shut off the eye so that this keyword is excluded from these campaigns. The next strategy is to set up product targeting campaigns using competitor ASINs already added in your deep dive. Target these listings with weaker images, lower reviews, or higher pricing. Set max daily budget per campaign from $10 to $20 to control initial spend. Now it's time to monitor. You'll use Rank Radar to track exactly how your ads and organic ranks are performing. Enable Rank Radar tracking for your hero keywords. After 5 to 7 days, evaluate organic rank changes, PPC spend versus conversions, click-through rate, and conversion rate. To take action, pause low-performing keywords with high spend and low conversion rate and increase bids on high-performing terms. Add negative keywords, for example, tablet stand, plastic laptop stand. A pro tip is to use Rank Radar alerts to act fast on ranking drops. Once your base campaigns are optimized, begin the expansion phase. Revisit your master keyword list weekly. Add new long-tail keywords into discovery campaigns and duplicate top-performing campaigns for other markets, such as UK, Canada, etc. Scale your budgets on winning ad groups incrementally. Another tip is to do a weekly keyword mining plus bid optimizations then this will result to long-term PPC profitability. In the performance dashboard, if you will be able to follow DataDive's PPC launch method, you can increase visibility for a competitive product, achieve higher organic ranking, reduce ACOS, and increase daily unit sales by 40%. Want to do the same for your product? Download the full checklist and master keyword list prioritization sheet below and start launching smarter with DataDive. Maximize your savings by using our coupon code that's Orange Click to get 20% off during monthly subscription plan. Don't forget to subscribe for more Amazon growth tips. At the end of the day, DataDive gives Amazon sellers the data-driven clarity they need to launch confidently, rank faster, and scale with precision. It simplifies complex decisions and helps you focus on what works. I'm Nikki from Orange Click. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.
I hope this video will help you to implement the profitable PPC launch strategy using DataDive to reduce wasted ad spend and achieve better returns on your PPC campaigns. If you want to try DataDive yourself, find the link below in the coupon code OrangeClick, which gives you 20% off. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe buttons, as well as if you have additional comments or questions, leave them in the comments section below. And now I recommend you to watch another video where you will learn how to boost your CTR with the DataDive tools.